there has been a lot of requests for my friends and well-wishers that I could and should contest the coming elections. That is the reason I have decided today to contest the ensuing Goa Assembly elections from the Panjim constituency. And I'm sure with all the support of my friends and well-wishers, and Panjim is a very literate constituency, and I think things should work well. So let us see, because I've decided to make sure that we have a booth committee in all the 41 booths across the city. So we are preparing for it, and hopefully everything should work in favor of getting Panjim going. And all that I can say is that in my childhood I had two wishes. One is to be an advocate, and one is to be a legislator. So having fulfilled one wish, now the only other wish is to be a legislator, and that is my commitment to legislate good laws for not only the citizens of Panjim, for the state of Goa. So Goa needs good legislators who can legislate laws. MLA is not elected to open.
Okay. From which party? Okay, from which party you are contesting?
Okay, yeah, I've decided to contest from Panjim, and
from which party?
Panjim is, sorry?
From which party? Independent?
No, I've decided to contest from Panjim. Okay, so there's no question of party. If there is no party, I will, because the support I have from the people is more than enough to contest, because you need the people's support. I have consulted people who will work. So that is the good news, because political parties can buy people, but in Panjim, and especially in a constituency that is so well needed, maybe the parties may not be able to spend money to buy voters.
Okay.